everyone. So underneath a couple of my hair videos, I had a lot of requests asking for a winter hair regimen. When I first started getting the requests, I didn't exactly have it down pat, but now I do. I just want to talk about what I do to my hair, how often I style it, what products I use, what works for me during the winter time. First off, I'm really excited that my hair is starting to grow back. It's starting to become the shape that I really missed, which was like my hair being around here, not like close to my head. I think you guys might have heard me mention in other videos that the winter time is my favorite time for my hair because my hair cooperates. This hair is actually a little over a week old. It's a braid out that I did on a twist out, and it works out well for me because what I like to do a lot in the winter time is stretch my hair. Stretching my hair doesn't work out so much during the summertime because the moisture in the air, because it's so humid in Boston especially, it's just like really humid during the summer and spring months. It doesn't get to stretch very well. I get the opportunity to play around with my hair and see like what it looks like longer and all of that, and usually I can do it enough that I kind of get it out of my system and I don't miss it that much during summertime. Really been working for me is doing like twist outs, braid outs on twist outs on braid outs, just to stretch my hair. How often do I style my hair? And by style I mean like wash and do a whole new reset on my hair like once every 2 weeks. That's pretty nice because what I'm gonna try to switch up for the summertime is to kind of like style more often, wash more often. It's nice to be out of my hair as far as like washing it once every 2 weeks. And the way that I'm able to do that is by retwisting or rebraiding my hair every like 3 to 4 days, and that usually ends up working out well for me. Let's start off first with how I style my hair when my hair has been freshly washed. So what I do, I haven't shown you guys any videos of that yet, but I think that's going to be coming up next, like a full like wash and style complete start to finish. But what I do is I section my hair off and I apply this to my scalp first. So this is like a very strong, thick, healthy oil that I absolutely love. You guys may have seen this mixture before on my channel. It is a mixture of regular castor oil and Jamaican black castor oil. I really love Jamaican black castor oil. It is like very thick and has so many growth properties. I know that my hair is thicker because of this, and it makes your hair grow as well because it really kind of like exfoliates your scalp a little bit. Castor oil works great too, just not as great as Jamaican black castor oil, but Jamaican black castor oil is expensive and a little bit harder to find. They sell them in like 8-ounce bottles versus castor oil they sell in like 32-ounce bottles. So I mix like 2/3 castor oil with 1/3 Jamaican black castor oil, and I apply this to my scalp every other day. It feels really good. I feel like scalp getting dry if I don't use it. So I wash my hair and I apply this to my scalp right away. And then I apply my leave-in. And the leave-in that I like to use right now is the As I Am leave-in conditioner. I just started out this line recently, and I think I'm gonna start trying out a whole bunch of lines because I never really did that my first time around growing out my big chop hair. I just sort of got into one line and let it be, but there's so many now that it's like I want to pop around and make sure that I'm using the right one for me. So As I Am, that like thus far is cool. The leave-in conditioner, I really like it. It smells really amazing. Like that's one thing that I cannot lie about when it comes to their products. They smell really good. It's light and it just adds a little bit of slip to my hair. Then I use the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk to moisturize my hair. So I go with the LCO option as far as moisturizing and styling my hair instead of the LOC method. And if you guys don't know, L stands for liquid or leave-in, C stands for cream, and O stands for oil. Some people, depending on the porosity, like to do the cream last. I like to do leave-in, then cream, and then oil. So this is a really awesome product for me because it just gets the job done. It smells really good and it's like $4 and it just really gets the job done. Like there's a lot of creams out there that are like $12 to $18, and for me, like I'm just like, but this one's $4 and it does a lot. It smells good. It moisturizes my hair. It's like a pretty thick consistency, but it's not like a butter consistency. It's still a milk, and it works real well. And I absolutely love it. So you guys will see these products popping up in my styling videos. I've been using it for about 2 years now, and you just can't beat $4. I mean, this is like a pretty decent bottle. I use like 1 or 2 pumps per section of my hair. The oil that I like to use, that I've been using for the past like maybe 8 months, is grapeseed oil. I don't know if you guys can see it moving in the bottle, but it's a very light consistency. It's almost a little bit lighter than olive oil. I used to always use extra virgin olive oil to seal my hair, but the only reason why I switched over is because olive oil can be expensive and I just haven't been cooking with olive oil lately. It smells good. It's very light and my hair seems to like it. So I do the LCO method to style my hair, and my hair ends up feeling really moisturized and sealed afterwards. Sometimes I'll do this knowing that my hair doesn't need to look like a certain way the next couple of days. It just needs to get washed and styled. But if I know I want my hair to come out looking cute, I will add in this product here, which is the Eco Styler Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Black Seed Oil Gel. And what I love about this is it's kind of light. A lot of people have complained that it's kind of light, like it doesn't do that much holding, but it seems to work out really nicely with me and the rest of these products when I'm styling my hair. I would agree that it's not my favorite gel for wash and goes for like extreme definition, but it has awesome hold, and the hold is moisturizing. So what I would do is put this on after the cream but before the oil. It provides great hold for me, and that's when I know I want my hair to be like pretty defined. I want it to be cute, and I'll do this per section. I usually section off my hair into like 8 sections if it's wet. My hair takes a while to dry, so I usually have to keep my hair in for at least 14 hours to just like overnight dry, and that usually is enough. The way that I'm able to maintain those styles for the next 2 weeks is like my hair comes out, it's fine the next day. I don't really moisturize because it still feels pretty good. The next day, it might need a little bit of moisturizing. I might just add a little bit of this stuff before bed just so that I can, you know, to the ends, they don't feel dry. And then the day after that, I go in with a little bit of cream, a little bit of gel, and a little bit of oil. Really not as much as I do in the other step. It's like a lot less because I just want to add a little bit of moisture to my hair and a little bit more hold, because probably after 3 days it's not looking as good. Now that it's stretched, it's able to stretch into 4 or 5 sections. That's what I did to get these results. I did about 5 sections for this hair, and the next day it comes out looking pretty bomb. And the best thing about it is that every few days my hair is getting more and more stretched. Stretching is awesome. I like to show off my hair. I like to have it out. But the best part about it is that my hair likes to be stretched. My hair likes to be elongated. It doesn't get as tangled or knotted. It just cooperates better when it's stretched. So these are the products that I like to use. And sometimes if my hair is feeling real dry, like if the air's been really dry, or like for some reason my ends don't feel good, I'll spritz a little bit of aloe vera juice, which I have in this little spray bottle, to my ends before I apply the cream and gel, just to spruce up the moisture in my life for my ends. And that's been working out for me. I don't have to wash my hair but once every 2 weeks, and that feels really good because I don't like to wash my hair that much when it's cold out. I like to avoid it if I can. It's really cold in Boston in the winter time. So that's kind of what my routine is like right now. My winter routine, my winter regimen, and my winter products. This is what's really working for me. I think even with like other styles like flexi rods and perm rods and things like that, these would be the main products. I might switch out the gel for like a mousse because it's a little bit lighter. This is kind of the general approach. Let me know if you guys use these products. Let me know if you guys like these lines. Comment below if you also like to stretch your hair during the winter and kind of like elongate your wash cycles to like 2 weeks or something like that. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys kind of like enjoyed. Let me know what else you'd like to see about my hair routine down below.